So parenting, it makes you want to make one of these faces. Are these faces? Are these faces? Parenting can be frustrating, but it doesn't always have to be a bad thing. For those parents that could use a little bit of extra advice, stay tuned for one thing that I think would be a great tool to implement with your kids. And also subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be coming up with a lot more of these things in the future. So stay tuned and let's go from this to this. Okay, so one of the things that I think is really important for parents to get is just the concept of empathy. Empathy is really important to have with your kids, and it's really simple, so why aren't we doing it more? I think what I see a lot of times with parents is that it becomes more about rewards and consequences and less about parents really trying to put themselves in their kids' shoes to understand, what's it like for their kids who are having to endure these consequences or who are getting these rewards. Parents are really distracted. These things? Yeah. So one of the things is empathy, right? So how do I have more empathy with my kid? Well, that's exactly it. Empathy is not necessarily anything you can just magically come up with, but it's being intentional. So be intentional with your kid and try to understand and stop yourself before you would react with a certain situation and just say, what is my kid feeling now? Or what does this look like for them? Or ask them, what is this like for you when you're implementing a parenting strategy? Or just ask yourself, what is it like in their shoes right now? And then when you think on that level, you can start having conversations with your partner or family or even your child to be able to, go on a deeper level and communicate, right? So we're all about fostering healthy communication. So there's one of the tips. And remember, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be coming out with a lot more tips in the future. So hit that like button down below, and we'll see you on the next one.